Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video we are going to discuss about one stock for buy or a strong stock and a weak stock that could be handy, that we can keep handy for tomorrow's trading session, that is May the 2nd. The analysis for Nifty and Banknifty has already been given in the previous video. Those of us who have not watched it can go ahead and watch that analysis also, friends. Coming to our previous video, in the previous video we have given Nestle India for a buy, that was on 26th. You have seen it going straight upwards, friends. All the targets are met here. Coming to the weak stock, we have our second buy stock, that was Kotak Bank, wherein it gave a double bottom pattern and continued its journey upwards. It also gave something called a rounding bottom. Within the rounding bottom itself, there was a double bottom. At the breakout, also if a buy was created, there was a very good upward momentum that was noticed in the stock. Talking about the sell stocks given were Infi and TCS, both of them hit our stop loss. The reason was simple, Nifty and Banknifty were positive, friends. Talking about Infi was more or less sideways the entire of 26th and 26th, friends, here. And 27th is what it started moving upwards. TCS was sideways on all the 3 days. A little upward momentum was noticed. The upward momentum was only because of the positive momentum seen in Banknifty and Nifty. We are still bearish on this stock, friend, because now we see a head and shoulder pattern here. There was an attempt of a breakdown followed by retest. There is a chance of a fall here. Coming to the reasons for a Kotak and Nestle upwards is given in the previous video. If someone wants to learn as to how we are choosing those stocks for buy or sell, can go ahead and watch the videos. They are very clear and very specific, friends. Coming to the buy and sell stock for tomorrow, that is for 2nd of May, we are choosing ICICI for a buy. See, here we see a double bottom pattern. And if I extend the third bottom, this can be a third bottom, friends. So 1, 2, triple bottom and a breakout followed by an attempt to retest. The best position to buy ICICI Bank will be here. Or if you notice this particular breakout on the top, 924 levels, then you can go ahead and buy for a upward targets with a small stop loss. Our stop loss in this case would be around 920, which is 4 rupees, against which we would expect at least 6 to 8 rupees as our target, friends. Coming to, and the reason number 3, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent bottom, which is here, to the top, which is here. Okay, you have seen it has been rejecting from the 23.6 levels multiple times, and finally it has also given a breakout and there is an upward momentum that is noticed. So with all these reasons is what we are buying, or we are choosing ICICI as a strong stock. Talking about the weak stock, we are choosing BAJAJFINSV as a weak stock, friends. Reason is simple. You have seen it has given a clear breakdown here followed by a retest at this levels. Okay, if I'm looking at it from a larger or a bigger data, you can see this is also a clear breakdown that it has given. Okay, now there is something very important that I'm going to show you. This is still not formed, but I'm just showing it to you. See, this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is can be your right shoulder. And if in case this is your breakdown, you can go ahead and sell it here. But we will be missing out on this much of momentum if you are selling it here. So even if you see it till here tomorrow, okay, the levels are 1377, you can still choose for a sell. If in case it sustains candles above 1380, that is when we would go ahead and ignore the stock, friends. So that is your sell stock for today. Other reasons to sell are simple. We can also see a clear-cut breakdown of this trend line, which is an extended trend line to the previous one which I have drawn. See, this is also a breakdown followed by a retest kind of a situation. So with all these reasons, we are selecting it for a sell. I hope you liked the video, friends. If you did, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed. Share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.